Hello everyone, it's Coin Maverick here. So I'm here with another free mining site where you can mine BNB for free. You really don't have to do anything basically. You just impute your BNB address, click on start, and you start earning for yourself. You understand? So with that said and done, let's get to it. I already have an account. I've been on this site for a while now, but I just decided to make a video about it because there's no point me making money without referring you guys into it. So let's get to this. So as you can see, I've imputed my BNB address. So I'll just click on start. So as you can see, I've been in this site for a while. So I decided to make a video about it. So as you can see, I've been mining my BNB for a while now. So as you can see, my mining speed is 20 hash power. And as you can see, my daily profit is 0.000060274. So as you see, it will be mining on its own. You don't have to do anything. Basically, don't have to do anything. You don't even have to log in every day either, but you can also be monitoring how you are mining. So if you want a faster hash power, you can always click on here to buy power. And as you can see, to buy 100 more hash power, you can see the price 0.001 BNB. And to buy 1000 hash power, you can see when you buy 1000 hash power, you get additional 1000 bonus. You understand? So the price for that is 0.01 BNB. So as you can see, it goes on. So when you click on this buy, so as you can see, it goes on. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to deposit on this site. So as you can see here, deposit, and you create a deposit address. And you can see you copy your address and deposit the account. You send the amount of BNB you want to use to purchase the hash power you want. So as you can see, I already told you the prices of the hash power. So just check the price, deposit the amount of BNB, that those hash power is worth, and when you've deposited, it's going to automatically confirm it. So when you are done depositing, you can always go back to the home page and just hit on buy now. As long as you have the BNB there, if you hit on buy now, you're going to purchase the hash power. So when you've purchased this, you begin to mine faster. You begin to mine your BNB faster, and you'll be making your money every day. So don't sleep on this site. Hop on it, deposit, or you can mine for free. But do how to deposit for you to mine faster, but you can always earn for free. So I'll also show you guys how to go about the withdrawal. You can click on the withdraw, and as you can see, the minimum withdrawal is 0.00005 BNB. You understand? So when you've made the right amount of BNB, you can come here, you click on the amount of BNB you want to withdraw, and you hit on withdraw. It's that easy. Your wallet address is already what you use in logging, so it's already saved on the platform. So just click on the withdrawal, and you're going to receive your money instantly on whatever wallet you want to use, either FaucetPay, Bybit, Trust Wallet, Binance, whichever one you want to use. So I've shown you guys everything about this site. So do not to sleep on this site. And I'll be showing you guys where to get your referral code from. So to invite your friends, you can invite your friends on this platform, whether free or paid, whichever, and you'll be earning 20% of the BNB used to buy hash power from anyone who uses your referral link. You understand? So if whoever you referred, you'll be getting 20% of whoever you referred is making. You understand? So don't sleep on this site. Do how to hop on this, and stay tuned for my withdrawal video.